Here's how to escape and build wealth instead. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, feeling like you're drowning in debt? Let me tell you, folks, you are not alone. The Federal Reserve says the average American household has over $100,000 in debt. But what if I told you that your biggest financial burden, your debt, could be your stepping stone to financial freedom? Sounds impossible, right? But today, I will show you how to turn your debt into wealth, even if you feel stuck right now. We're going to tackle this problem head on and create a plan to get you on the road to financial peace. Debt doesn't have to hold you back. Let's talk about those common and often costly mistakes that keep folks trapped in a cycle of debt. First up, making only the minimum payments. Look, I get it. Life is busy, and sometimes that minimum payment is all you can handle that month. But remember this, those minimum payments are designed to keep you in debt for longer, costing you way more in interest over time. Second mistake, not knowing the difference between good debt and bad debt. We'll dive deeper into this later, but remember, not all debt is created equal. And finally, ignoring opportunities to use debt strategically. Believe it or not, you can actually leverage debt to build wealth. We'll explore how to do this responsibly so you can make your money work for you instead of the other way around. All right, let's get down to brass tacks. The first step to turning your debt into wealth is tackling those high interest debts head on. And the biggest mistake I see folks making, keeping high interest debt for too long. This is like throwing money away on interest payments. Instead, I want you to get fierce and start with the debt avalanche method. This means you'll list out all your debts from the highest interest rate to the lowest. Now, focus all your extra money on paying off that highest interest debt first, while making minimum payments on the rest. I've seen this method work wonders for so many people, saving them thousands in interest. Now, let's talk about good debt versus bad debt. Not all debt is created equal, folks. High interest debt, like those credit cards with sky-high rates, will keep you stuck in a cycle of debt. But low interest debt, like a mortgage, a business loan, or even some student loans, can actually help you build wealth in the long run. These are investments in your future. Now, if you're sitting on some of that nasty high interest debt, look for opportunities to convert it into a lower interest option. Could you refinance your mortgage? Consolidate your credit card debt? Shop around for the best rates and terms, and you'll be surprised how much money you can save. Here's where things get really exciting. Many people focus solely on debt repayment. And while that's important, it's a mistake to put off investing until you're completely debt-free. Why? Because you're missing out on years of potential compound growth. That's right, you can make your money work for you while you're paying down debt. Instead of waiting, start investing small amounts now, even if it's just a few dollars a week. Look for low-cost index funds or ETFs and watch your money grow over time. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your investments have to compound and build wealth. Let's recap. If you want to turn debt into financial freedom, follow these steps. 1. Prioritize high interest debt. 2. Convert bad debt into good debt. And 3. Invest while you pay down debt. This strategy will set you up for financial success. Remember, you have the power to change your financial future. Don't let debt hold you back any longer. Take control of your money and start building the life you deserve. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest financial challenge right now? Drop a comment below. And if you want a step-by-step guide on investing while paying off debt, check out my next video, which is linked here. See you there.